Hello folks, today I got to show you something I don't think I've ever encountered before in a home inspection. And so I come down here and I saw this wall, and I see this wall. Look at this. I see, wow, you know, it's really not very plumb or anything. It's kind of looking kind of rough. So I walk over here and I open up the doors. So let me see if we can do this real quick here. I'm kind of trying to do two things at once. And I'm thinking, well, what the heck? I can see right through here. Look at this. Well, let's look over here. Look at that. Okay, now what is going on with this crazy wall I see? You know, it's got two sides. I come back around here. You're not going to believe it. It just gets crazier, crazier. I think we won the crazy contractor award again. I think they just did it. I think they won again. But look at this here. It's on wheels. It's literally on wheels. See that? So I really don't know what the heck do you have a portable wall for? I don't know, but it's not even built right. A portable wall, not built right, not safe, just crazy. You're not going to believe it. This is one of them. I can't believe the crazy crap that I see things. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos. This is a nutty one. Thanks, folks. Have a great day. Hey, hit like and share and subscribe to our video. Share with your friends, and that way they can see this nutty stuff too. This is just too funny. Too stupid to even imagine. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.